Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie Krubsack, author and recipe curator of the Pale Pickle.
Hi everyone, my name is Nhi Poss and I am the illustrator of the Pale Pickle.
So we're bringing to you this amazing collaborative project where it's a children's book and paired cookbook talking about healthy recipes, allergy-friendly eating, composting at home, urban gardening, and bringing wellness to your community.
This is not just something we're passionate about, but also hopefully this is something would bring positive impact to the environment and the community.
So after developing adult allergies and realizing that yellow dye was in a lot of food, it's in pickles to make it look more appealing. But homemade canned pickles are pale, hence the name of the Pale Pickle. So the goal was to keep Pip gender neutral, that whether he or she, that Pip is a character that anybody could resonate with and feel connected to, and that Pip was representing what we hope a open-minded child that is taught to value people around them and the environment and value good principles, healthy eating, things like that, could relate to. Being a child that moved quite a bit and, bullying and things happen, to realize that if children are encouraged to be more accepting and just curious, that can be a positive thing and not a negative thing.
Yeah, and that is one of the things that's also made me really fall in love with the idea of the book, is that taught a lot of value to me while working on this book. And, with me also moving from like half the globe from here and coming to like a completely new country, living on my own, trying to figure everything out, and it's really resonate with me. Like, being different, you are in a different country, you interact with different people from every other country, and you realize your cultural differences, your environmental differences, and illustrating this book give me the sense of like, you are you, and it is totally okay, to be different, to, trying to share these differences to other people and having them understand and accept you as an individual is a really, really good value that I found in this book. Yeah, and we're really, really excited to bring you this project because hopefully with this book, it's not just about the environment we care about, but also the children that we actually care about, for the parents to provide that, not just a healthier environment for children to grow in, but also a very supportive environment where the children can feel that they can be the best version of themselves.
And we feel confident that we've chosen to print sustainably, and we've vetted these recipes many times. We're very excited for you to try. And yeah, can't wait for your feedback.